Today, I'll show you how I review a 3D model sent by a client using Foxit PDF Editor. I need to review an automotive component provided for design validation. I'll open its PDF. Before reviewing the model, Foxit prompts me to enable trusted 3D content. Once enabled, the 3D toolbar appears in the upper left corner of the model area. If needed, I can right-click the 3D area and show the toolbar manually. Now, let's look at the main parts of the 3D workspace. The toolbar provides navigation, display controls, cross-sections, and view tools. The model tree shows the structure of the automotive assembly on the left. This lets me explore components and focus on specific parts of the design. The axis indicator helps confirm orientation while reviewing geometry. I'm assessing the model to confirm it's suitable for product visualization and launch materials. I'll start by navigating the model to understand its shape and layout. Rotate allows me to inspect the component from any angle. Spin lets me rotate the model smoothly around a fixed axis for controlled inspection. Pan shifts the model without changing its orientation. Zoom lets me inspect fine details more closely. To isolate problem areas, I can show and hide components using the model tree. I can hide surrounding parts to focus on a specific component. Next, I'll adjust how the model is displayed to improve clarity. Projection mode switches between perspective and orthographic views. Render mode lets me switch between shaded and wireframe styles. Lighting options improve surface definition for inspection. Cross-sections allow me to cut through the model and inspect internal geometry. This helps verify internal clearances and component alignment. I can save this view to return to it later during the review. Clicking the Home button returns us to the default view in the PDF. Foxit PDF Editor allows me to measure key dimensions directly on the 3D model. I can measure distances between surfaces to validate tolerances. Measurements appear as annotations that I can adjust or remove. I need to give the team some feedback on this model. I can do that easily with commenting. I can place the comment on the relevant feature and enter my note. Foxit automatically links the comment to a specific view. Comments are also listed in the Comments panel for easy review. Finally, I can save and manage multiple views for different review stages. These views help guide discussions with the client and internal teams. Before reviewing the design, I need to add a 3D model to a new report. Foxit PDF Editor lets me embed new 3D content directly into a document. I'll draw the area where the 3D model should appear on the page. The Insert 3D window opens, where I can select a supported file. If needed, I can enable advanced options before inserting the model. Here, I can control activation settings, appearance, and default views. Once inserted, the model is fully interactive inside the PDF. This allows me to share and review 3D designs without requiring CAD software. Foxit PDF Editor's 3D PDF workflow makes it easy to review, annotate, and communicate feedback on 3D designs. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.